of late. I think it's probably at 7:30, 8 o'clock at night. But I wanted to get out here and get the TrailManor open. Hang on, let me set you down. Hello. So I got the TrailManor all open. Here, I'll show you. It's up, it's open, and it's all leveled. It must have got put in a different spot because, man, it was really off this time. Oh, the train, wouldn't you know it? Hold on. Okay, so I wanted to get out here and get the TrailManor lifted up and open because I've got some things in the mail that I want to work on tomorrow, and I want to show them to you tonight. So let me get this open and I'll be right back. I'll show you what I got. So for around the door, oh, it's in Ziploc. I got new insulation, and it's just stick-on stuff, and it's the foam kind. So I'm going to try and get that up tonight before it gets dark. Then for in the bathroom, when I was redoing the bathroom, I decided that I wanted a new faucet for the tub area. Shiny! I wanted a new shower head. So I ordered a new shower head from TrailManor, and when it came, it had a different fitting on top than this. And nobody could figure out what this black piece was, so I could just order it. I think it's standard. Yeah, see the back? It's just the way this is made. So I went ahead and ordered a new one. That put on maybe tomorrow. Yeah. And then I ordered this. Oh, there's two of them. I thought there was only one. The new lights for above on the ceiling that are the, I guess they're LED lights. Yeah, LED double dome fixture lights. They're really nice, and they're big. They're bigger than I thought they were going to be. My plan was to put it up here on. Oh, it, well, might be a little small from left to right, and I think it's going to be too big. But anyway, I'll take these down and see if I can't get this to work up there. If not, then I'll just put it up here. I know it's smaller, but this, I had taken it down and painted underneath it, and I got two of these, so maybe I'll put one up here over the kitchen stove. And sorry for spinning you around. And then the other one right here over the kitchen sink. So yeah, those are my latest purchases. Takes a lot to set up an RV, let me tell you. Okay, let me try and get set up to put this on. Read the directions, and I'll bring you right back. Alright, so I got all my stuff out and then realized that before I can put this stuff up, I need to get all this off and clean it up. So I'll probably just work on cleaning it tonight, and then I'll get it out here in the morning when it's not quite so hot and humid, and I'll finish up the job. Yeah, I'll do it tomorrow. So I'll lock this puppy up and start fresh in the morning. And when I do, you know it, I'll do what? I'll bring you along. Thanks guys, I'll be back tomorrow.